a successful product to sell on Amazon might be one of the toughest things that a seller has to do. Even if you have products and you are a product manufacturer, you also need to figure out whether or not your products can be successful on Amazon. Certainly, Amazon is a data-driven business, and you do need to look at tools to help you make decisions, such as Helium 10 and other tools that are available in your market. However, there are products or product types that you need to consider because they are the most successful product types on Amazon. So are you ready? Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are an Amazon certified service provider as well as an Amazon ads agency based in Dubai and supporting sellers just like you on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Now, before we dive into the top 7 product types that you can start selling right now on Amazon because they are very successful, let's talk about some gifts that we can give you. If you're looking for some secrets and some tips in order to increase your sales on Amazon, or even for you to be successful on Amazon if you haven't started yet, then you will find our free downloadable PDF guide in the description box of this video. Go ahead, click on the link, add your information, and get the downloadable PDF. And if you're looking for help and support, whether you are currently selling on Amazon or you're thinking of launching your very own business on Amazon in the Middle East, then head now to our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, book a call with our team, and check out our programs. Let's get started with product type number 1, passion products. Examples would be hobbies and crafts, for example, musical instruments, as well as fitness and outdoor gear. The reason why you would like to consider selling passion-based products is you don't have to be passionate about them, but it does help if you know a little bit more about music, as an example, if you want to sell musical instruments. However, people who have passion for certain hobbies or for certain things tend to spend more money on them. So they're not looking for products that are low price. They're looking for really high quality products at a good price, of course, because everybody likes to have a bargain. However, you can get away with selling ordinary products at better prices and not compete on low priced products. Number 2, need-based products such as home essentials, personal care items, and health and wellness products. The reason why these products are quite cool and interesting for you to sell is because they are daily essentials required by people on an everyday basis. So you'll ensure a steady stream of demand, no spikes, just steady stream of demand and an everyday sales cycle. And number 3, consumable and reordable products such as food and beverages, household supplies, and personal care items. I hear from so many sellers that this is their favorite type of product to sell. Why? Because it runs out. Imagine you're selling toothpaste as an example. It's gonna run out within a certain amount of time, and then if the product is good, the customer will then repurchase it, making customer acquisition costs high in the beginning, but much lower later on because you do get recurring customers. This gives you a reliable stream of income and something to build on. However, it's important to note that consumable products are normally in Amazon's gated categories, which means you need to be aware that you might require additional documentation or even a separate type of business license, specifically in the Middle East, in order to sell these types of products. Number 4, seasonal products, such as holiday decorations, outdoor equipment, or even seasonal clothing. You hear me talk a lot on the channel about avoiding selling seasonal products. However, if you are a current seller that's already well established, adding seasonal products can give you a boost and a spike during those seasons and can increase your sales. The negative part of selling seasonal products is you probably are not aware of the quantity that you need to order, and if the season finishes and you still have inventory, then what are you going to do with this additional inventory? As the saying goes, people are not buying Christmas trees in June. So if you decide to sell Christmas trees or Christmas decoration, you should be selling them out by December. Number 5, specialty and niche products, such as eco-friendly products, pet supplies, or even tech gadgets. But we're not talking about general tech gadgets or general pet supplies. We're talking about very niche specific. So for example, a tech gadget that's addressed to only graphic designers, or a pet supply that's only designed for a certain breed of dog or cat. Niching down can certainly help you avoid the overall competition that is on Amazon. But do remember, when you niche down in smaller markets such as Amazon in the Middle East, you might be selling a product for a very, very, very small amount of people, which can be detrimental to your business. So niche down only when you know that the niche is big enough to provide you steady streams of income. Number 6, trendy and innovative products, such as the latest tech gadgets, even fashion trends, or innovative kitchen gadgets, like my favorite kitchen gadget, the air fryer. Very much similar to seasonal products. However, these types of products last the seasonality, and the trend lasts for sometimes about a few years. So even though they are trend-based products to sell, they have a much longer span or lifespan on Amazon. So looking into these products might also be very beneficial for your business and your product portfolio. Riding current trends can yield in fast and high-paced sales volume. Number 7, personalized and customizable products. Example, personalized gifts, custom clothing and accessories, or DIY kits. Now, on Amazon in the Middle East, it is quite difficult to sell personalized products because there's no personalization system on Amazon, unlike other Amazon marketplaces. However, a lot of sellers have thought outside the box and are trying to sell products that are already pre-personalized, such as selling jewelry with letters, alphabetical letters, and then whatever your name is or whatever the name of somebody that you're buying this for, you could just choose and select the letter. And other customizations as well can be done in a smart way. People love customizable products, and they add a little bit of a twist to an otherwise ordinary product. They feel like a one-of-a-kind item, hence customers are willing to pay a little bit more for these types of personalized products. And finally, health and wellness products, such as fitness equipment, nutritional supplements, as well as mental wellness products. We see this category and these types of products accelerate and grow incredibly year on year in the Middle East. The growing focus on health and wellness makes these products very much in demand, ensuring a steady stream of sales. Remember, choosing the right type of product is based on market research, your passion, as well as market demands. Best of luck. If you want more information, go ahead and check out this video about a step-by-step process of how to do product research for Amazon UAE and Amazon Saudi. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.